Hey guys, thanks for dropping in. Today I am going to try to set some rivets into these little attachment points I'm making for a purse. I've been wanting to get a rivet press, snap press to be able to set snaps and rivets better than doing it by hand. Sometimes when I do it by hand, they don't turn out the best. But the rivet presses are fairly expensive, and the die sets are pretty expensive. So I had a friend comment that I should try using this here 1 ton Arbor Press I got from Harbor Freight. This here was pretty cheap. It was only $70. And then use these little magnets to set the punches in. I'm going to give it a shot here, see if I can set these rivets pretty easily, how it turns out. So these are double cap rivets that I'm using here. There we go, worked like a charm. Turned out pretty good. I'm also going to show you some little punches I got for snaps. That's for a 24 line and 20 line snap. It's kind of the same deal. Set pretty easy. Looks pretty good. Every time I do it by hand with a hammer, you never know how they're going to turn out. Sometimes they get bungled up pretty bad. I would say I may have to come up with a little better way to hold it in there, because you can see how it kind of gets off at an angle there, so I gotta make sure it's good and straight. But all in all, it works pretty good. I think it'll be a lot quicker and better than setting them by hand. So I appreciate the tip, Mike. Hope that helps you all out too. If y'all have any other suggestions to make things easier, let me know.